From the leaders in cleaning professional training, the MyBetco portal has a new interface and new digital training content. This revamped web-based platform makes it even easier to build expert teams, while still putting the power of access and management for all of Betco's industry-leading digital resources directly in your hands. Across all devices, users have access to all Betco's digital tools under one virtual roof, now with training directly at the forefront. This includes a brand new, personalized dashboard and enhanced access to our Betco U e-learning courses, known across the industry for interactive and engaging features that boost comprehension and retention. Plus, all courses in our growing catalog and the entire MyBetco platform are now translatable into several world languages. Whether you are a cleaning professional or a distributor partner, upgrade to team lead status and experience smarter team and user management with simplified e-learning assignment in just a few clicks. Other resources, like a new library of fresh, bite-sized how-to videos, are available to everyone, while some are available only to distributor partners. Whether you're an individual seeking professional growth or a team aiming for collective excellence, MyBetco is your answer. Be on the lookout for additional MyBetco features launching soon to further improve your digital experience with us. Visit betco.com to register or log in today. For more information, contact Betco directly at 888-GO-BETCO or contact your local sales representative.